Hello, this is Curtis with Fountain and Stuclick Technologies. Today I'll be showing you how to install the camera application onto your phone. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the Play Store or App Store and search for an application called DMSS. After doing a search, the icon will look like this right up here in the upper left-hand side. You'll want to go ahead and install the application. After the application is downloaded and installed, you will want to go ahead and open up the application. Here you'll be greeted with a blank screen, just giving you some tips and tricks about the application. Go ahead and swipe to the left 1, 2, 3 times. Press the arrow pointing to the right. Here it's going to ask you to select a region. Press the OK button and then select United States up at the top right here. After pressing that, go ahead and press the done in the upper right hand corner right here. This is asking you to go ahead and agree to the terms and services every application seems to have nowadays. Put a little check mark in the circle over here and then press next. You can go ahead and skip this area right here unless you really want to watch the video. For this application, you do not need to create user credentials. In order to install the cameras, I'm going to have you go ahead and press the plus sign in the upper right hand corner over here. Press the scan button. Now it's going to ask for permission to use your camera to take a picture of the QR code that I sent you. You will not have to do this just once, but you'll have to do it twice. Now it has access to your camera. Hold the QR code in the center of the camera and everything will be imported. Right now the image is blank. It's just showing a blank, hazy looking image. If you go ahead and touch that image, it will go ahead and load up the camera and you could see exactly what the camera is looking at.